Hello mga kaibigan, at ako ay nagbabalik upang sa panibago na namang content. Ito ay gusto ko lang sa kadahilanan, gusto ko lang lumuha ng, ewan ko, basta gusto ko na lang lumuha, kaya magsimula na tayo. So, ang pangalan ng challenge natin ngayon, You Cry and You Lose. Kapag umiyak tayo dito, talo na tayo. So, meron lang akong 1 lives dito, so game. So, ang unahin natin dito is sa short tube naman tayo. Short lang muna. Saglit.
Try not to cry challenge, nearly impossible edition. Love it, fight it, accuse it, deny it. I can't imagine a world with you gone. The joy and the chaos, the demons were made. I'd be so lost if you left me alone. You locked yourself in the bathroom, lying on the floor when I break through. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you.
Di naman nakakayak guys, yung kanta yung medyo nakaka-touch.
Try not to cry challenge, nearly impossible edition.
Impossible, pero dito ulit tayo sa
You cry,
yan. Medyo nakaka-ano yun guys, teka lang. Nakaka-ano yung tignan nyo guys. Ulitin ko. Huwag yung pansinin tong lalaking to. Ito ang pansinin nyo. Medyo nakaka-touch yung sinabi niya kasi napaka-drama nung sinabi niya. Kung hindi nyo manalo, so okay guys, natalo kagad tayo, kakasimula pa lang. So
you cry, you lose. But this time, if I cry, I have to just...
This time, magre-react na lang tayo sa ating naawa talaga ako. What content ay? Jesser. So si Jesser, manonood tayo ng mga TikTok hack sa basketball dahil yung iba hindi ko pa kayang iano sa basketball na yon. So minsan traveling pa ako. So hindi ako ganun kagaling sa basketball. Very light lang. Pero sa ilalim magaling. Try natin to testing 16 viral TikTok basketball hack. So, let's start.
Nagbabago na ang katawan natin.
Okay,
At age 50 plus.
I wanna be forever young.
Today we're checking out TikTok basketball hacks, and apparently this grip spray can make your jump shot and handles better. You believe it? I hope so, because I need it. I used to use grip chalk back in the day, so I am a fan. It's like a liquid LeBron. Big plate. I got it on my hand. My hand is getting stuck to the ball. I feel like stickiness for dribbling.
May alien doon sa, may alien na nagsaseta doon.
Product is trash. Stephen definitely not us. It's definitely the product. It's not a hack. For this next hack, let's say your ball goes over to the neighbor's yard. You got a mean grandma living next door, and she pops your ball. And then she's also very overweight. The grandma sits on it. It gets deflated. Holy cow. Has this ever happened to you, Johnny?
It's
happened to me twice. Big sad. Ball's got a hole, but don't wait. If you fill it with some Gorilla Glue or Crazy Glue, it will fix it. And we're gonna repump it up and play with it. We're gonna come back to this once it dries. All right, Jesse's outside. He's not allowed to know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, so let's take a look. I don't like why he got his nose covered. Okay, that is foul. It definitely will work. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I do not know how to work a can opener. Oh, it smells so bad already. Alright, we got the tuna in. Now we're adding the whole garlic. What is this? Garlic, minced garlic. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Alright, so we got the garlic, we got the tuna in there. I'm gonna put my hand here. It's gonna make my hand. Oh my god, it feels so nasty. That's gross. Oh my god. I'm gonna go play Jesse 101. There's no way he doesn't back off me. You learned a new move? I learned a little something. Check it out. Hi. It's on your hands, bro. What did I tell you? What? Don't put that shit on me. What is that? Tuna and garlic. That's disgusting. What kind of hack is that? Okay. Put some tape on it. I think we're making a basketball. I mean, it definitely looks, kind of like a basketball. Yeah. It does look like it dribbles better. Do some test dribbles. Okay. Dribbles, mid. Let's see if they turn green. I think this one is facts. Nice. It looks right now circular. It does look more circular. Hey, wait a minute, bro. That's a basketball. Hey, it does dribble better, 100%. Ooh, behind the back, nice. Sham God. Hey. How to instantly increase vertical. These things actually work. And when you get 3 pairs of socks while you're performing, can make you go, oh my god, that hurts so bad. I would not try that. Okay, why would it hurt? Basically, he's adding an extra insole, and he's adding 3 pairs of socks. I guess your feet would be super bad. Their feet are they're struggling. They can't breathe. First time. The little bunny hop. Okay, just grab the rim. Alright, so first, let's try to dunk. Yeah. And then we'll put on 3 pairs of socks and an extra insole. See what happens. Not gonna lie, muscles are feeling cold. Not warm, but let's see what I can do. I think you can get up there. Ah! I was close. It did go in, so I feel like if the hack works, you're punching this in. I should punch it, because I was right there. I am not warm. Socks, dude. That's what it is. My feet are feeling a little cold. I need a couple more pairs of socks. I have a special insole for you. Oh. Got your 2 pairs of socks for 3 totals, and I got something even better than insoles. Super insoles, bro. These are gonna make you way taller. Should increase the vert. You really want to go crazy. I'm going with 2 inserts, because I don't think I can put my foot in there if there's 3. I'll take the other ones then. Bet. If my foot fits. Short. It's a lot. 3 inches is a lot. 3 inches makes all the difference. It's a lot. It's a lot. Hey, bro, we're giants. Jeez, you're tall. How are you so tall? Short. He's so tall. How are you so tall? Me one, bro. Check out. No, I don't. How'd you guys get so tall? What do you mean? What is? I think you're just short. Yeah. No, I am not. Trying to go just do some crazy dunks. Damn. That's what we do when we're this tall. Yeah. What the heck did you guys do? Why do your ankles look so big? What are you talking about? I just got a little bit bigger. A little bit taller. Probably an extra 2 inches. See if I can get it. I feel like I'm playing basketball in heels right now. Maybe I'll look cool though. I don't know, I think my foot's too far out of my shoe. But you definitely did. Much better. Yeah, there's a limit to I feel like there's a sweet spot. I might have hit the sweet spot, you might have gone too tall. A little overboard. Yeah. Johnny's back on the court.
So guys, dito nagtatapos ang ating pag-vlog dahil sa medyo gabi na rin at marami nang natutulog sa bahay. So medyo nakaka-disturbo na ako. So like and subscribe and di ko na alam. Bye.